So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find optimized drives. We're going to scroll down until we find optimized drives. Double click on it. And then make the startup type automatic. And then click on start, which will then make the server status running. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the optimized drive service. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in netsh space int space tcp space set space global space auto tuning level equals disabled. And then click on enter. Once that's been done, see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find remote differential compression API support. You want to scroll down until we find remote differential compression API support. You want to untick the box and then click on OK. Just wait for this to load. It's now going to start applying changes. Once that's been done, you can now restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.